Welcome back, Doug's Top Dogs. Here we go with another one. So today, my inspiration is Steak and Shake's Frisco Melt, one of my favorite burgers. So if you have a Steak and Shake by you, you haven't had a Frisco Melt, get one. If you don't have a Steak and Shake, too bad, because they're freaking delicious. So we're going to take this great Steak and Shake Frisco Melt, but we're going to hot dog style it. So let's check out what we're going to work with. So down here on the board, I have 3 hot dogs. I'm not sure if I'm going to need 3 or 2. They're just regular sized hot dogs. I split them so we can lay them flat and cook them, and that's what we need to do. We're going to go ahead and get them on the grill. All right, got them on the grill. Got my steak weight on there to get those bad boys seared up. Want to get a nice caramelization to them. So while that's going, let's talk about everything else we need. One thing that makes that Steak and Shake Frisco Melt so good is they throw it on sourdough. So we picked up some great value sourdough from Walmart. I like this because it best represents the sourdough you use, similar to it. Because if you get those round ball looking big ass ball sourdough loaves, they're all, you know, I don't know, every piece is a different size. This is a softer texture too, so that's what we want. All right, next up, we need some cheese for this thing. Typically it uses yellow American and Swiss. So what I'm gonna use is, I got some white American we're gonna use, and then I picked up some processed Swiss because it melts beautifully instead of regular hard Swiss. So that's what we're gonna use. We're gonna go ahead and use 4 slices of that. We've got our sourdough bread, got our hot dogs cooking. One last thing, which makes it Frisco besides the sourdough bread, is some Frisco sauce. So here we got some Frisco sauce. Now Frisco sauce is real easy, copycat recipe. It's 3/4 cup of Thousand Island dressing, 1/4 cup of French dressing, 1/4 cup of ketchup, a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce, about a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And that's it. Whip it up, throw it in the fridge. There you go. Looking good. All right. All right, the hot dogs are looking good, so next thing we need to do is get our sourdough bread going. Now, Steak and Shake uses margarine. The butter toasts their bread, so we're going to be using, which is pretty much the same thing, it's Country Crock's Drizzle and Sizzle. Let's get some down on the griddle. All right, let's start getting this thing going. All right, so on the bottom piece of bread, we were going to do a piece of our Swiss, a piece of our white American. Next up, let's get our dogs on there. So I think 2 dogs is actually going to be perfect for this. Let's put our other 2 pieces of cheese on there. This is probably more cheese than Steak and Shake uses, but that's what we're doing. All right, next thing we're going to do is get some of our Frisco sauce. We're going to put that on the top bun here. Just like that. And let's get that top bun on top. Like that. All right, let's get my dome on. Help melt that cheese. Give it a little flip. Oh yeah, we're looking good. All right, just about another 30 seconds or so, and we're going to be ready to get this thing down on the cutting board and get a little look at it. Let's cut this thing and get some pictures. There we go. Look at that goodness right there. Hopefully that's focusing. All right, here we go. It's taste test time. Let's see if subbing out that nice smash burger patty for a nice little Hebrew National is going to make the difference. Or be delicious or whatever. But here we go. Yeah, that's good. Now, I'm gonna be honest, not quite as good as a nice smashed steak burger on there, but pretty damn good for a hot dog. I'm telling you what. So another possibility, another special I could do on my cart, since I do have a flat top griddle. So may do it, who knows? But yeah, super good. If you love hot dogs and love sourdough, this is the ultimate mashup right here, baby. Oh man, so good. But that is it for this video. I'm gonna enjoy this sandwich. I'm gonna get out of here, and until the next time, I'm out.